Hey, have you ever thought about pizza on the Mediterranean diet? Well, that's the quintessential Mediterranean food, right? It's essentially great whole wheat bread with some wonderful vegetables. And that's what I'm doing. But I call it ugly pizza. Why? Because making pizza is hard. And these guys that do this sort of spinning stuff, you know what happens to me when I do that spinning? It lands on the floor. But I'm going to make ugly pizza. And how do you do it? It's actually pretty simple. You can get pizza dough. You can buy it from anywhere. Get some pizza dough from Trader Joe's or something. You can spread it out on a pan. You can put on some great tomato sauce with garlic. I've got a bunch of stuff over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Bell peppers, Niçoise olives. I'm going to put a bunch of great tomato sauce in there with garlic. You can do a bunch of wonderful vegetables and pizza sauce, and it will be delicious. But you know what? If someone out there knows how to do the pizza dough thing, I could really use some lessons because it's ugly. Is someone watching me?